Right, you are on your thumb?
Yeah, very good. Yeah. Sorry, you sort of.
That's your regulator. That's your reverse. Pull back into reverse now.
Stop lazy.
Okay, and we check that it's square all round. Okay, clear our side. Right, do it on the Duda. You'll find it if you can get behind this and just pull it across the way. Rather than trying to turn it.
Next time, Mummy, don't go in my way when I'm videoing.